Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're going to be making some delicious keto brownies. Alright guys, so let's get started. First we're going to mix all of the dry ingredients. So here we have our almond flour, our sweetener. I'm using powdered sweetener, but you can totally use granular. And if you don't have powdered sweetener, you can just use your little coffee grinder and boom, powdered sweetener. And then this is some cacao powder, unsweetened of course, instant coffee for that extra kick. The coffee brings out the chocolate flavor. And then we have our baking powder, a little dash of salt to bring out the sweetness. And what we're gonna do is just do a really quick mix of all the dry ingredients before we incorporate the wet ones. Okay, so now that everything is well incorporated, let's go ahead and add our wet ingredients. So we're going to do the butter. So here we have our butter. And now we're going to crack our eggs. So now that we have everything in our bowl, let's go ahead and start mixing. So you're just gonna make sure that all your ingredients are well incorporated. It looks beautiful. And I'm not encouraging you to taste raw batter, but I always taste my batter. Because you wanna make sure, obviously I know it's not cooked, but you want it to taste delicious before you put it into the oven. So it's perfect. And now we're just going to melt our little white chocolate chips. Of course you can use milk chocolate, but I'm just going with the white. So we're melting our chocolate. You have to melt it in about 15-second increments because you don't want to burn your chocolate. If you burn it, it's done. Like there's no rescuing it. You just have to start all over again. So we're gonna leave it here on the side. My little magic chopstick. I like to use that. And what we're gonna do is we're going to now pour our batter. So I'm using a little 6-inch like Pyrex, oven safe bowl. And then we're gonna have our little sheet of parchment. If you don't have parchment paper, you can just spray it, either butter it or like a little bit of spray, like so it doesn't stick. But I'm just gonna put it in here like so. Just really rough, like I'm not, you guys know my savage ways. We're just gonna make it work. Okay, it'll stay. And we are going to pour our batter in, okay? So let's go ahead and pour this little baby in. Make sure I don't make a big mess here. So you guys can see, wait. Every last bit of it. And now we can just smooth it out a little. And you can use like an 8x8, but I wanted my brownies to be a little thicker. So that's why I'm using the 6-inch one. Okay, but look at that, it looks beautiful. Now we are going to pour in our melted white chocolate. Okay. So we have our white chocolate here. Now let's go ahead and wow. These little beauties are already looking gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. Make sure that your oven has been preheating at 350 degrees while you're, making everything. So let's go ahead and put it in 15 minutes or until your toothpick comes out dry because, obviously different ovens vary. So let's go. So let's go ahead and put our brownies in. Remember, we are baking these at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Take a look at these little beauties. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, so let's see how our little brownies look. Oh my goodness, look at that. Nice and moist, and oh my gosh, it looks Like, these are gonna be nice and chewy. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and do a taste test and see how these little babies turned out. Let's see. Oh wow. They're delicious. This is my first time adding the white chocolate. And it is so good. They're so rich, but like not overly rich. If I have like chocolate all over my teeth, sorry. But these are absolutely amazing. You guys have to try these. You guys are gonna absolutely love them. Super, super simple. You guys saw, really straight to the point, bake and boom, you have these. You can take them to a party, you know, just for a weekend. You guys know I love fun foods on the weekends, so make sure that you guys tag me if you guys make these so that I could share them on my Instagram and show everyone else your recreations. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I can't wait to see your recreations. You guys are going to be obsessed. And if you guys want to see more recipes just like this, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss any of them. Guys, if you love this just as much as I did, then give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you on the next video. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Mwah.